Yes, it's my vlog. Here again. Is it time of the month? Maglalakwatsa na naman tayo. Very Alma Moreno. Ang ganda ng tapo. Alma Moreno yung shoes pang Zumba. Day 1 in Bangkok, Thailand. This is our fit for today. Paano ko lalagay fit natin? Wag na nga! O, di ba pugod? Fit ka pa, magpabot ka naman.
Sino ba din?
Sawadee ka! Sawadee ka! Sawa ka na!
Man, boy, always say crop to the other one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Boy, sawadee krap.
Lady always say ka.
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 Ka!
It's like a po.
Elongate. Ka!
Malandi nito, malandi. Sawadee ka.
Ay! Malande!
Malandi.
Ka!
So what is the greeting of Thai people? Yeah, you like to say that good morning, good afternoon, good evening, hello, hi. You only say
Sawadee ka! Go! Loy-loy! Hi, Thailand! So, ang pinuntahan namin ay isang temple na may temple ni Buddha. Pinatas nag-pray over kami for good prosperity and words of wisdom's mothers. What are your what's your motto in life?
Enjoy while
Enjoy, right?
enjoy while your paa is malakas.
Hindi po matatapos ang tour nang hindi magpapapicture sa Bulaklak.
after we finish crossing the house, buy chicken. Chicken after I buy chicken.
Chicken!
Get the
May
Tsunami.
tsunami ilog.
Malay mo, maligaw. Parang tayo lang, Pilipino, naligaw sa Thailand.
Mga kung ano, tomboy, ba't ganito? Ay, di, ang pangit din.